Ain't nobody else gotta know, just us. Baby, just us. Said some shit to address. I think it's best we don't speak. Tell me without telling me. Tell me you know what.
No, hey.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Oh, shit.
Yo.
The most surprising show on the tour was Salt Lake City. Shout out to Salt Lake, wherever you live, you gotta go to Salt Lake City because people are fucking cray there, and they got a lake.
Taking up all the surface area. Who took a fucking bite?
I want to fuck you so bad right now. Ah, my bad. Autocorrect.
Tutorial on how to shotgun a beer. Okay. Firstly, we want the tab facing upwards, line directly up, creating a little air socket.
Oh. Oh shit. See how it's like super small? Just like.
We don't stab the can. We push down slowly, like this.
Gotta make the hole bigger, you know what I'm saying? You gotta widen that butt.
Wiggle it around a bit, make that hole nice and juicy, and then crack the can.
Oh, start drinking and then pop it open. Oh my god! Oh god!
Bro, that shit foamed up real quick in my mouth.
For you, Little Uzi, a Rob Zombie poster.